Namaste. Welcome to yet another episode of Accomplished Women by Thought Habitat Speaks. We interviewed a lot of women from different industries, from different niche, almost. And we interviewed a legend who's Sunidhi Chauhan. And we interviewed at last Shruti Rane, who's the music composer and in fact the mastermind behind Sunidhi's new album. And now we have someone from similar lines, but with a different portfolio. You know, rapping is something very focused on the Punjabi folks. We've seen a lot of Punjabi singers and rappers coming up, and they hold the monopoly to the market, I must say. In between that, I have seen some rappers from other languages too, but they are pretty insignificant or they haven't done anything big to get noticed so far. And we have someone different now. She's someone who started rapping in Marathi language. And she's giving an uber cool touch to the Marathi folks. And I don't have to explain much about her. As you all can see who's with me in this interview, and that is Huma Syed, an upcoming rapper and an upcoming celebrity, I must say, or perhaps a legend in the making in the coming years.
Hi everyone, Namaskar, Assalamu alaikum. Yes, I started rapping, I think it's been 11 years now. And I started with English, then jumped on Hindi और उस बाद हमने मराठी शुरू की. और जैसा आपने कहा कि जैसे पंजाबी आजकल बहुत ज़्यादा वो है, चर्चे में you can say. So that चर्चा is I और चर्चे as in I think अभी हमारा जो ड्रीम है वो पंजाबी या इंग्लिश या मराठी पे सीमित नहीं हो रहा है. हम चाह रहे हैं कि इंडिया की हर लैंग्वेज में हमारी रैपिंग होनी चाहिए, हर लैंग्वेज में. और कंपटीशन तो है ही, हर जगह देखा जाए तो हर जगह कंपटीशन है. बट आई बिलीव आई गॉट अ स्टाइल एटीट्यूड. हम हिंदी भी कर लेंगे, मराठी भी कर लेंगे, गुजराती भी कर लेंगे, एवरीथिंग. सो या
that spirit will take you to places and that will eventually make you a legend in the coming years, I believe. Yeah. So Huma, I have a few questions for you. So the first one, what brought you into raps and music? I mean, would you like to explain that?
It's very funny actually. आपने वो सुना है मूवी नेम हम अमिताभ बच्चन की जो एक मूवी थी.
Yes.
उसमें एक गाना था, चुम्मा 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 दे दे. You remember that? So I was just 2 or 3 years old and my father used to play that song चुम्मा चुम्मा. So I used to cry. जब वो खत्म हो जाता था तो हम रोते थे. आप रोते थे कि ये खत्म क्यों हो गया डैडी, ये हुमा बोल रहा है, हुमा हुमा हुमा. And then my dad always did. फिर हम वो जुम्मा चुम्मा हुमा करते करते आज कम ऑन हुमा बन चुके हैं. कम ऑन हुमा.
Yeah, eventually
that's where I
Chumma
started.
became like Huma, and eventually that became your name, and you made a
Yeah.
career in it as well.
जुम्मा अब हर जुम्मा हुमा का गाना रिलीज होगा. It's all because of my father. They motivated me so much. I mean, उन्होंने अक्सर हमें हर चीज में आगे बढ़ने का साथ दिया. As तीनों भाई बहन काफी अच्छा कर रहे हैं, अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह. And I'm going to make it soon, inshallah.
That we all have this typical examples from our families, right? So माँ बाप बोल सकते हैं कि तुझे ये सब नहीं करने का जिंदगी भर, ये सब छोड़ दो और थोड़ा पढ़ाई कर लो और ये एक जॉब ढूंढ लो. We all have that thing, right? And So, how did you manage to convince your parents that yes, I will make a career in rapping and I will be successful? How did you manage to do that?
To be honest, by God grace, I never had issues from my family members.
Oh
They are
wow.
the best, alhamdulillah. They are the best. हमें परेशानी तो सोसाइटी और रिलेटिव से आई है. You know, हमें भी नहीं आई. वो तो हमारे माँ बाप तक जाती थी कि क्या करा रहे हो बच्चों से अपने. क्या करा रहे हो. कह रही क्या करा रहे हो, शादी कराओ, घर में बिठाओ, पढ़ाओ, लिखाओ. टुडे आई मीन टू बी ऑनेस्ट, आज हमारे कजिन्स के बच्चे को कहा जाता है कि आपको हुमा जैसा बनना है. सो दैट इज नाउ द होल पेन एंड स्ट्रगल इज गॉन. सो आई एम सॉरी, बट ऐसी बहुत चीजें आई. बट हमारे माँ बाप और हमारे भाई बहन के अलावा हर लोगों ने तकलीफ दी है, बट हमारा घर हमारा पिलर था बस. दे आर द बेस्ट एंड दे सपोर्ट मी टू द आई मीन यू नो टू द कोर. तो हमें घर वालों से तो कभी इश्यूज नहीं आए. इनफैक्ट इतना इन्वेस्टमेंट भी लगाया है पर फॉर एग्जांपल जैसे कि रिकॉर्डिंग फीस वगैरह ये वो जॉब नहीं कर पाते थे तो पेरेंट्स को ही खर्चा उठाना पड़ता था स्टूडियोज का और इसका. उन्होंने वो भी किया. ठीक है, हमने भी दे दिया कमा के अब अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह. ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. बट यस, हम अगर दुनिया के लिए बोलेंगे तो हमारे घर वाले तो हमारे साथ थे, बट हमारी सोसाइटीज आसपास रिश्तेदार ये सबको खुशियां नहीं थी. लाइक दे वांट मी टू बी होम, यू नो, कपड़े वपड़े ढक के पहनो. एंड आई जस्ट डोंट गिव अ शिट अबाउट इट. I'm a rock star since childhood. I'm not going to take this.
That's really wonderful to know, Ma. You're very lucky in that way, and your parents are very lucky as well because you're serving as an inspiration to your relatives and friends. That's pretty interesting. Yeah. And Huma, my next question is, as we discussed in the beginning, you have heavy competition from Punjabi rappers, right?
Yes.
And even though in other languages, in Hindi, Marathi, Gujarati, and in all other languages, Bengali as well for that matter, you do have some rappers, but they're not very significant. Rather,
I know.
singers like Usha Uttup, she's like a very famous person, right? So you have that kind of a competition. So what are you doing different to tackle that competition and stay ahead?
See, my if I know there is a lot of competition, but I'm here in this industry because of my passion, because of my love for the music. No one can, you know, train it down because of any competition or anything. I am going to work hard and I know I'm going to make move in every languages. I've already started working on Assami and, you know, South Indian now. So this that
Oh,
I'm
wow.
going to achieve at least 6 language of rapping in this coming month. I'm done with English, but now I'm also coming up with Punjabi. Yeah, better be
Oh, wow.
awake. I mean, so Punjabi, Gujarati, Marathi, Assami, you know, South Indian. अपना बहुत कुछ होने वाला है. So I mean this year तो I'm just going to go for the languages. Competition क्या है? अभी क्या कर सकते हैं? There are everywhere artists struggling. I think I'm happy to get into this kind of competitions. Perfect. I'm in for it. I'm in for any challenge. And I'm confident on my speed.
Wow, that's really, and I can see that confidence. I'm in for the challenge, the way you say.
Yay! Do you know? I used to watch your videos since childhood that wherever you are scared, do this. So I'm doing this, and you're just getting charged up. Yeah, I'm confident. Oh God,
That's really nice.
sorry.
That's really nice. And Huma, now that I'm aware that you came up with a new rap number, Rap Chicks. Yeah, yeah.
Yeah.
So would you like to tell the inspiration behind that? And we would also want you to do some rapping here. Because if I let you go without that, all our viewers would be chasing me. So I would really want you to share the inspiration on Rap Shakes, and also we would like you to do some rapping.
You know what? Rap chick. I don't know. ये rap chick के track पे आने के लिए हमें 100 गाने करने पड़े हैं.
Oh wow.
I've done more than 100 songs to reach to Rap Chick.
Oh wow.
Okay, 7 years. I know बहुत कम गाने किए हैं हमने, but it's okay, no problem. But I'm trying to go to thousands and thousands of songs. And yeah, Rap Chick is something. It was a challenging track for me because I've never tried Marathi before. So I'm a breathless rapper, but हम थोड़ा English में ही focus कर रहे थे पहले. But then Bollywood, and now I thought Marathi is a place, apna Maharashtra, Jai Maharashtra. So I want to do my name in Marathi also, and I feel I can do it well. And thanks to these people who've given me the opportunity to do, they trusted me for this big thing. I mean, without knowing me, without knowing my work. And you want me to rap some? हम आपको छोटा छोटा, I mean, तीन language में सुना देते हैं छोटा छोटा.
Sure.
So first I'll start in English. Okay, English. I started with this, my favorite rapper. Okay, let me rap for you, then I'll sing for you. Laugh me, just read Bruce, the book like you when the name's cute. I'll fade hell yeah, it's new. Trying to be on an Olympic one. Do sit it up, then hit with them, stop the world. Okay, this goes in English. I go in Hindi now. Hindi. ज्यादा बदतमीजी ना तो अब मेरे साथ कर. लॉन्ग ड्राइव कुछ नहीं यही बैठ बात कर. गले में पहना है मैंने सैंडल. तेरी कारी ज्यादा महंगी तेरी सैंडल. हरकतें वैसे तेरी बड़ी ही अजीब है. I'm talking to you, अच्छा तेरा ये नसीब है. हीरो शीरो बन के ना मुझको दिखा. अब कर चल 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 पीछे हट जा. Okay, and now in Marathi. Okay.
Sure.
बाबाची झालं जुना त्याला जुना असल मराठी असल तर आपल्या मनातोस्ती मध्ये पेरिंग असते, केअरिंग असते, शेअरिंग असते. बाबूच्या खिशात बापूने आपल्या डेअरिंग असतं. सुटलेचा एक होता तर गाण्यामध्ये गॅप नाही. डायरेक्ट बोलणं फंडा आपला धंदा आपला रॅप आहे. सांगते मुंबई पूर्ण सांगली बोल ध्यान ध्यान कान द्यावं इकडं ऐका ना. 2020 विसरू मैदानात 21 पासून आपल्याच बाणा. अरे sorry, thank you.
That's really wonderful. That's really wonderful, you know.
Sorry,
You know, in each and every language, it's been like very authentic. It's really, what to say, it's really setting the tone. And, you know, you've really given the perfect touch to all of it. You know, it's really great that we have rappers like you who could try different things, who serves as an inspiration for everyone out there. You know, we would be waiting for more surprises from you. And yeah, personally, I'm a South Indian and I'll be expecting you to do a lot of rapping in Tamil, Telugu, Malayalam, Kannada, and all these languages.
I'm doing in a month only, and I'm going to contact you for that.
Oh wow, that's really wonderful. We'll be waiting for that. So viewers, that's the interview that's the session with Huma Saeed, and see you soon with more interesting women who have accomplished breaking all the odds and negating all the thoughts. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for giving this wonderful opportunity to sit in front of you and talk. Thank you so much.
Yeah, it's my pleasure, Huma.